There's a sandstorm going on right now. Look at that. All that is sand. With the air picking up all that sand. Can't even see nothing. Saw the trucks waiting to get unloaded at the well. Look at the sand. You can't even step out of the truck. You'll get all covered in sand. Look at that. Look, you can't even see that. See that? Lightning and everything. Look at all that sand. Real bad. Look at that lightning. It's gonna start a rain pretty soon. But right now it's air and it's picking all that dirt up, all that sand. This is West Texas right here. You gotta deal with this stuff if you wanna come work over here. Look at all that.